Hello my dear students, in this video we'll discuss about highest common factor. The highest common factor or HCF of two or more numbers is the largest number that divides evenly into all the numbers. It is also called the greatest common divisor or GCD. For example, HCF of 2 and 4 is 2, HCF of 12 and 18 is 6, and HCF of 12, 18 and 21 is 3. So HCF is a small value compared to the numbers. There are two methods to find out the HCF. First one is the prime factorization method. So first, we find the prime factorization of the given numbers individually. We list out the common prime factors of those numbers, and the product of the common prime factors is the HCF of the given numbers. The second method is the division method. Here we write the numbers in a horizontal line separated by the commas. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. If there is a remainder, divide the first divisor by the remainder. Repeat the steps above until the remainder is 0. The last divisor is the HCF of the given numbers. So now we'll show some sums on both the methods. So let's find out the HCF of 24, 36, 60 and 132 by prime factorization method. So the factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Factors of 60, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And factors of 132, 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Now let us figure out the common factors of these numbers. So we can see 2, 2 and 3 are the common factors of all these numbers. So the HCF of 24, 36, 60 and 132 is 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. So now we'll find out the HCF of the same numbers by division method. First we divide 36 by 24. So 24 goes 1 times and leaves a remainder of 12. Now we'll divide 24 by 12. So 12 to is 24. There are no remainder. So next we'll divide 60 by 12. So 12 5 is 60. There is no remainder. So now we'll divide the next number, that is 132 by 12. So 12 11 is 132 and there is no remainder. So HCF of 24, 36, 60 and 132 is 12. So now try to find out the HCF of these two sums by division method and prime factorization method and leave your answer in the comments. If you like this brain-friendly presentation and would like more such content, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.